All right, fam, this is us. This is how it looks when we're locked and loaded from the outside. Okay, it's not hard to do. Of course, we took a couple classes about how to hook up, how to set up. Once you buy your RV, they'll show you all of that. You can also YouTube a lot of stuff as well. But this is how we do it. If you go on our page, it's called Team Cox Adventures on YouTube. You'll see more videos of our adventures and where we've been and stuff of that nature. But we're leaving now, getting ready to go. Like I say, don't think it's not reachable. This is a reachable goal for us. So I know you can do it and more. All right? What you got to say to the folks about vacationing and living their life dream?
What I have to say to them?
Yeah.
Well, number one, you have to trust God. Because there's haters all the way around. And you have some people that don't want to see you succeed. They want to hurt you. But you have to trust God. And regardless of what they want, how you feel that they trying to hurt you, you're just trusting God and you go where you want to go. You go where you want to go. And of course, you want to have your extra protection with you. All right. The words say there's a time for everything. I trust my God 100%. But his word says a time for everything. So we keep prepared.
Yeah, okay? Always.
We stay prepared.
Always.
And we're going to enjoy ourselves. We're not going to let other people dictate how we move. So that's my advice to you. Go out and live your life and enjoy it. Enjoy it with one you love.
That's right, y'all.
All right.
All right. Gonna end our video, hit the road. Like I say, we'll see y'all on the dance floor. We're dancing for a purpose. To send kids to summer camp, to STEM summer camp. Smooth Flavor, Gainesville, with Wanda Lord. We love y'all, fam.
Love you, fam.
See y'all soon.